Alright, so here we have, I believe it's August tuna crate. Toretto's tuna crate since 2001. There's the design of the box. This member, a little cover sticker. Alright, let's get it open. Alright. We got a tuna crate sticker. A stock sticker. Just loud, not fast sticker. Certified box. That's dope. The next sticker. What are the chances? I didn't even know that. That's funny. Dope. Stock-ish. Toretto's tuna crate. Now we got the cards. Oh, that's a nice NSX. Oh, that's a cool air freshener too. Rose Thorn. Okay, so I'll see what that says right now. Pretty dope. Bees for build. Here's the FRS. This coupon code. Tuna crate. If you guys want to use that code. Okay, so they put a note on here. It says, hey everyone, it's Mike. I found some really cool items that may not match your passion, but I didn't want you to miss out on these in the past. We put in items that became really valuable, so let's try it again. Hopefully you're enjoying your crates, and thank you. I'm also okay with whatever they throw them into everything. JDM, Euro, muscle cars, all that, but I'm more a JDM guy, but I'm down with whatever they throw in here. I don't know what this is. Might be a wheel cleaner, or maybe for like vents stuff. I don't know. We'll see right now what it tells us. Mint. Little pin. Got another keychain, like made out of wood. I got Dom's Dodge Charger. Pretty cool. I don't think I have his yet. We'll see right now. Toretto's. Garage tuna crate. Nope. No, some type of hook. I don't know. I legit don't know what these hooks are for. Hopefully the paper. I don't know what these hooks are for. I don't know. I guess if one of y'all know what it is, let me know. And tuna crate shirt. Just no design, nothing on the back, but there's that. Stainless steel multi-tool. 18-in-1, what the heck? Okay, so we got a hex or Allen key tool on each one. That's pretty dope. Then I believe it might be a 10. I don't know, but got a flathead, Phillips, and then all the Allen keys. Then, oh, these are different sizes too. Okay. Alright, cool. Then the Fast and the Furious from the first movie. Paul Walker, Vin Diesel. Okay, so some pretty cool items this month. I dig it. Here's this big old sticker. The Fast and the Furious. Here we got the multi-tool. I was just concerned on the middle one. And I was like trying to count these, and it was like it wasn't adding up. But each one of these is a different size, like Allen key or hex tool. Let me open this up so I can show you a little better. I'll put that on later. But yeah. So as you can see, each one of these is like an Allen key. That's pretty cool. Then we got the Phillips, then the flathead. And I was too concentrated on this one. I thought it was like a 10, like just a regular size 10. And I was looking at it and I was like, each one of these is like a different slot, like a different size. So it gets smaller as it goes around. So I don't know what size is what. Might be a 12. I don't know what this is, but you can tell, as you can see, it does get smaller as we go around. So this might be like a 6, 8. Yeah, it might be a 6, 8, 10, 12, 13, 14. I don't know. But multi-tool, that's pretty cool. Put that in my toolbox. Well, before I put it in my toolbox, I'll put that on, but I'll do that in a bit. The mint pen. It's mint. I still don't know what the heck this is, man. I'm just gonna assume it's for dust, to wipe dust from like vents and stuff. I don't know. I guess we'll see. I have no idea what that is. Keychain, wooden keychain. Let me get the other cards. Got that first one right there. This one's dope. NFX. Amazing car. And like I said, if you guys want to use this code, you guys go ahead and use it. Just literally tune your crate. Air freshener, Rose Thorn. I literally got air freshener for every month. We got these hooks. I don't know what these are for, and it's bothering me. If you guys know what these are for, let me know in the comments. But I don't know. Unless it's like missing something from the crate and it just goes to it, but other than that, I don't know what these are for. Like, I'm confused. I guess is it for like a tool? Is it like to hang something? I don't know, but whatever these are, got some hooks. Think about the Dom's charger. There's all the ones they got. This is from the Fast 9. Let me see. Alright, so we got the Dom's Dodge Charger. Perfect place for this. Literally, we got walk over here. I've got a whole bunch of other ones that I got last year from my brother. He got them for me for Christmas. I got Dom's Charger RT up there. from, I believe it's the first Fast and Furious, but yeah. Look at that. Got his little home right there. That's dope. I gotta clean them up though. They're pretty dusty because they are in the garage, so gotta clean that up. Then we got all the stickers. Got Toretto's tuner crate, stockish, certified box, just loud, not fast. Literally me right now. I'll show y'all why. Hella stock, dope. And then just a wheel with a whole bunch of like parts all around it, or yeah, car parts and tools. So this guy, just loud, not fast. That's gonna be me. Got some headers over there. Got the fork can right there. Took off the stock headers. But that's gonna be literally me. It'll be just loud, but not fast. And then here we have both of the shirts. Toretto's Tuna Crate since 2001. Shirt number 1 in red. And the second shirt, just a simple design on the front. Just literally a wheel with a whole bunch of car parts and tools around it. Pretty dope. Looks like a ship's like steering wheel, like an old school pirate ship, like the little steering wheels. Yeah, that's dope. Alright, so yeah, this is August's Tuna Crate. If you guys liked any of this, let me know in the comments what you liked. Then, but if you guys are interested in the box, I'll leave the link in the description and you guys can check them out.